Hello everyone. Now today we are going to start our revision of FA2. We are taking chapter 15, 5th and 9th. तो आपको ये पूरा रिवीजन आपकी नोटबुक में लिखना है एंड द वन थिंग कि इसमें रिवीजन के अंदर आप MCQs में ऑप्शन नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा और मैच द लिस्ट के सामने डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा। एंड द वन अनदर थिंग कि जो ब्रीफ क्वेश्चंस है डिटेल्स वाले आंसर हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस में ही पूछ जाए, उसमें से शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं, तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा और रिवीजन कीजिएगा। नाउ स्टार्टिंग विथ सेक्शन ए MCQs. Economically, India is which type of country? And here is the four answer and the answer is C, developing country. Second question, according to World Bank report 2004, what is the minimum per capita income in dollars for a country to be called a developing country? तो आंसर आएगा $735, मतलब कि $735. Third question is, which system is called free economy? So here is also four options and you don't need to write the four options, you only have to write answers and the answer is C, market system. Fourth question is, cattle rearing is included in which sector of economy? And the answer is B, primary. Fifth question is, social structure of a developing country is, and here is the four options and the answer is C, conservative. Sixth question is, in which economy is highest importance given to capital and pricing? And the answer is capitalist. Section B, true and false. First is, the total income of a country is called per capita income, so that is false. Second question is, India is a developed country, that is also false because India is a developing country. Third one is, the economy of a developed country is based on dual system, and the answer is false. Fourth question is, economic progress is the stage after economic development, and the answer is true. Fifth one is, unemployment and poverty are features of developing countries. Yes, it is true. Part C, fill in the blanks. First is, in socialist system the disparity of income and dash is removed and the answer is property. Second question is, dash is a natural tool for productions and the answer is land. Third one is, dash system is quite opposite to the market system and the answer is socialist economy. Fourth question is, resources to fulfill human wants are limited. Fifth one is, in dash system allocation of resources are done on the basis of profit and the answer is market. Now part D, answer in one word or two words. First is, what is total income of a country is called? Answer is national income. Second question is, which is the main economic activity of developing countries? And the answer is agriculture. Third question is, on what system the economy of a developing country is based? And the answer is dual system. Fourth question is, on what basis the economic decisions are taken in market system? And the answer is profit. And the last one is, what is the nature of mixed economy? And the answer is controlled economy. Now talk about match the list. Now first one is low per capita income. Then the answer is low standard of living. You can also write answers only. The economic activity in developing countries and the answer is agriculture. Third one is nature of economy in developing countries and the answer is dual. And the fourth one is mining and the answer is primary sector. Now second one is the living factor of production and the answer is labor. Second one is market system and the answer is capitalist system. Third one is opposite of the market system and the answer is socialist system. And the fourth one is mixed economy and the answer is controlled economy. Now chapter number 5, section A, and the question 1 is MCQ First one, which sculpture has international significance from the art point of view? And here is the four options, and you have to write only the answer, and the answer is Nataraj. Second question is, which is not correct statement from the followings? So here is the four options, and the answer is chemistry is not a science of experiment. Third question is Maharshi Charak Samhita and Maharshi Shushrut dash, and the answer is Shushrut Samhita. Fourth question is, in the class of school, various students discuss about mathematics. Which one is true among them? So here is the four answer, and the answer is Shreya, Mansi and Harda were right. Fifth one is book written by Brahmacharya Panchal is, and the answer is Prajnan Shastra. Sixth one is, in ancient India, who brought Brahma Siddhant, which declares the law of gravitations, and the answer is Brahmagupta. Seventh question is, which science from the following suggests about the principle of directions while constructing temples, places, Ashwashala, fort, etc. And the answer is Vastu Shastra. Now part B, true or false. First one is, India has scientific attitude along with a region's outlook, and the answer is true. Second is, chemistry is an experimental science. It is true. Third question is, Bhaskaracharya brought Lilavati Ganit and Bij Ganit in the year 1260, and the answer is false. Fourth one is, Ashwa Shastra written by Shalihotra was very popular, and that is false. And the fifth one is, Aryabhatta discovered the laws of gravity. That is also false. Now part C, fill in the blanks. First one is, Dash was a great astrologer and astronomer, and the answer is Varamihir. Second question is, an 18 feet high copper statue of Lord Dash has been found from Nalanda, and the answer is Buddha. Third question is, Vastu Shastra is an inseparable part of Dash, and the answer is astrology. Now fourth question is, in Dash book there is mention of sharp instrument used in surgery, and the answer is Shushrut Samhita. Fifth question is, Sakun Muni brought a book named Dash, and the answer is Kal Ganana. D is answer in one or two words, and the first question is, who propounded that pi is constant to show the ratio of circumferences and diameter of circle, and the answer is Aryabhatta. Second question is, who erected the Vijay Stamp in Delhi, and the answer is Chandragupta II. Third question is, who discovered the process of writing zero after a number, and the answer is Sage Grutsamad. Fourth question is, what is the unique feature of Indian culture, and the answer is unity in diversity. And the fifth one is, who discovered plus and minus signs, and the answer is Bhaskaracharya. Now talk about match the list, and the first one is experimental science, and the answer is chemistry. Second one is oldest science, and the answer is astronomy. Third one is Acharya of chemistry, and the third answer is Nagarjuna. And the last one is Vijay Stamp, and the answer is Delhi. Now second is first Shalihotra, and the answer is Ashwashastra. Second is Vakpat, and the answer is Ashtang Hriday. Third one is Bhaskaracharya, and the answer is Lilavati Ganit. And the fourth one Aryabhatta, and the answer is father of mathematics. Now talk about chapter 9 MCQs, and the first one is, which wildlife is extinct from Gujarat, and the answer is C, tiger. Second question is, forest over which the local self-government institutions have control, and the answer is C, collective forest or community forest. Third one is, how many species of animals and birds are there in the world, and the answer is 15 lakh. Which animal has become extinct from Indian forest? And the answer is C. Cheetah. Part B. Fill in the blanks, and the first one is there are dash sanctuary in India, and the answer is 531. Second question is India stands dash in the world in terms of biodiversity, and the answer is 12. Third question is vegetation that grow naturally without the help of man is called dash vegetation, and the answer is virgin. Fourth question is dash means the destructions of forest, and the answer is deforestation. Part C, true or false, and the first one is reserve forests are looked after by the administrations, and the answer is false. Second question is deforestation is the result of progress of man, that is true. Third one is there is complete restriction on grazing domestic animals in national parks, and the answer is true. Fourth question is about 9 subspecies of vultures are found in India, and the answer is true. Now part D, answer in 1 or 2 words, and the first question is with which strategy is the increase of rhino target at 3000, and the answer is rhino vision. Second question is which forests are looked after by the administrations, and the answer is protected forest. Third question is what is formed according to international norms, and the answer is a bioreserves. Fourth question is which animal is found in the cold forest of eastern Himalaya, and the answer is red panda. Fifth question is in which rivers of India are Ganga river dolphins found, and the answer is Brahmaputra and Ganga. Now move towards match the list, and the first is reserved forest, and the answer is directly controlled by the government. Second question is protected forest, and the answer is looked after by the administrations. Third question is communal forest, and the answer is in control of local self-government institutions. And the fourth one in private forest, and the answer is individual ownership. Now second one is animal of the cat family, and the answer is leopard. Second is sanctuary, and the answer is Chandraprabha. Third one is national park, and the answer is Kaziranga. And the fourth one bioreserves area, and the answer is Run of Kutch. So here we completed our part 1 that you have to write in your fair notebook. In next video we are going to take another questions. Thank you.